So guys, my name is Barineka. I'll be showing you guys how to make a little graphics design on Canva. It's not really it's more like a crash course, so just pay attention while I go through the course. Okay, so do well to follow whatsoever I'm going to be sharing on the screen right about now, and I hope you get all what I'm trying to share. So if you have your Android phone or you don't have a laptop, you can still get access to Canva by downloading Canva from Play Store. But if you have your laptop, it's way easier for you to use. So if you have canva.com, you can use your browser, or you can use the app, or you can just log in straight to the site. So they have different presentation, they have Instagram posts, they have resume. That's for those who wants to do CV and all the rest. There's also for posters, for flyers, logos, card presentation, A4 documents, Instagram stories, proposals, blah blah blah, and the list goes on and on and on and on. So we just do something short. We would not really waste much of our time here, so we all can actually grasp what I'll be going through tonight. So I'm going to look for I'm going to look for a picture that we're going to work on, and after doing this, I also want you guys to work on your own. You can press the video, you can play, you can stop, you can try it out while you're also watching. So we'll be let's say we'll be working on this picture. Okay, so we have the heading. We also have a little subheading. We also have a little write up here. We have this picture. We have a little logo here. We also have a little write up here. So we can actually edit this picture by double tapping on the picture. Can actually move it from left to right, if you understand. Then double tap, and that's all. See that the picture has changed. So you can also move the picture from left to right by holding your left click your mouse and the drag button. Okay, or you can still do that with your phone by just tapping and moving with your fingers. So you can actually change this. Let's say we want to make this Barineka social media marketing trend. All you have to do is just type here, move it up. Let's say Barineka social media. Okay, come here, edit this Barineka. Okay, and we are done. So if I want to change this logo to another logo, I can come to the upload button. Let's say you have your own logo in your laptop or your phone. You can come to the upload section, click on upload media, or you can upload video, you can also upload audio. So let's say I want to bring let's say, you know, the logo to this slide or this picture. So I click on upload media. I go to my device. I look for a picture that I'm going to use. Let's say, okay, there's this logo here. You can use this, but this particular picture has a background. You could see it has a white background, so it will really fit. You can also use this. Sorry, not that. You can also use this SVG. Let me show you the difference between this one and the other one. I'll upload this one now so you see something. Okay, so here we go. We have this two Matic logo. If I move this here, you could see it's now looking white. It's not really blending in like the one we have here, this yellow and white here. If I bring this guy here, it's going to blend right in than this other one. So all I have to do is just to resize this, resize, bring it down a little, take it here, remove this one. If I'm not using this, just bring it down, reduce, you know. I can delete by using just tab, right click the mouse, click on delete, and you have your Matic. Also, you can also work on, there's this line that you're seeing at this purple line. It helps you know how to position your work so you don't go out of place. It makes it stand out from makes it better than makes it aligned very well, like in a very nice arrangement. Okay, so I think that's all about that. You can't actually use this if you have this white background at the back. It can't blend into any of these colors here because of this white. So you can actually remove this white background from any of your logos or pictures by just coming straight to BG. Let's say BG remove. There's a platform where you can just remove the background instantly by just going straight to this website. You click on remove.bg, click here, upload the one that you want to remove the background. So it's automatically removed the background. So you see, you just have only this. You click on download. You download to where you want to download to. Let's say downloading it back to Matic file. I click on save, logo Matic remover. Okay, so let's go back to Canvas. Click on upload, click on device. It should be around here, logo Matic remover. Yeah, so at the end of the day, this is what we have. You could see it blends right into this stuff. You could see, yeah. So it's really cool. Really cool. So you can see here, we are done. So you can also change the color. This is black. You come here, change the color to any color you want to use. You can also use color palettes. You can move this all around. So any color you like. So any color you like, and same thing with this. Same thing with the white here. Yeah, so that's it. You can also animate these write-ups here by clicking, block. You can see that, or fade, or rise, or tumble. I hope you get the point now. So I think that's basically all we have to do. There are photos. Let's say you want to change the photos like these people here. All I have to do is to double tap, then search for anything I want to search. Let's say I want to search for laptop. I click on laptop. Okay, I've seen laptop. Just bring this here. Bring this here. Okay, boom, and there she is. So I can now double tap again to align her to be maybe to where I want, like what I want my people to see or the audience to see. Maybe just like this or like this. And that's settled. And you can still edit this by just tapping. You can edit using different fonts. Okay, you can use the font size, bold, italic, underlined, uppercase, blah blah blah, alignment, and all the rest. So I think that's all. You can move things around, play around with whatever you have here. And also there's also music. That's if you're doing a video, you can play around with this. Yeah, so that's the video. So that's it. Text, you can play around with text. If you want to put a little subheading, heading, subheading, and you just click on it, click, click. There are also some, write-ups. All you have to do is just edit them. Just click on it and edit them. And we have music. We also have videos. Also have backgrounds. Let me try one background. Yeah, so the background is this, what you're seeing here. So you can try this. Or there are lots and lots of them. This one is not really fine. So this should go very well. So once you're done, you can maybe edit timing. Let's say just a little, and then you click on and download. So since we are in number one page of this should I say this slide, since it's video, you can actually download it as a video. If you're downloading as a video, it means it's going to play like this. It's going to play like this. Get the point now. Or if you don't want it, if you want it as a picture like this, all you have to do is just click on download, choose the page one, and MP3. You click on PNG, which is the higher quality. Okay, you click on that and save. But if you want it to move, then you download as an MP4 video. I think that's all for how to create videos. How to create infographics using Canva. Thank you so much.